annual ChalkZone Swap-a-thon, where your worthless old junk becomes somebody else's treasure.
Pretty cool, eh, Rudy?
Yeah.
And I tell you, 10 drops of Uncle Wally's Spot Be Gone will get rid of those spots on the spot. Who'll give it a try? You see, what I tell you, powerful stuff. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
What's happening?
It's a chalk rain, Rudy. This might be a good time to go into the umbrella business.
Good idea. What is a chalk rain, Snap?
Chalk rain happens when a sidewalk chalk drawing is washed away by the rain in the real world. It comes down like this and then reforms into whatever the picture on the sidewalk was. Most drawings are small, so chalk rain only lasts a minute. But this, Rudy, this is a chalk monsoon!
Well, the sidewalk drawing must be huge to make such a rain.
I wonder what it's going to turn into.
Oh, what's happening?
Leaping lizards! It's Chalkzilla! Uh-oh. Jump! Should have ducked, Rudy.
Whoa!
Hey, Rudy! Get ready to hop on! Watch this!
What's going on?
Too bad it's only a smoke screen. Now's our chance to stick it to him.
Stick it to him? Ah, that's a great idea. Okay, turn the plane around, Snap.
Hang on! Rudy, you've done it again! That glue was a stroke of genius. Glad I thought of it. Say, we can put up a tent over this dragon for people to see him. Rank this way to see the helpless drag. Uh-oh. Got any more ideas, bucko?
Just one.
What are you doing, Rudy? That dragon will break loose any second.
I can't stop him. He's too big. I've got to find his creator.
Who's that?
I don't know. Somebody up there. And whoever it is might know how to stop his creation and save ChalkZone.
Oh my. All my work washed away. Now I must begin again to... Oh, who are you?
My name is Rudy Tabooty.
I am Ming Lan. Are you a magician, Rudy Tabooty?
No, I'm just an artist, Miss Lon. A chalk artist.
I also am a humble chalk artist. But today I am a sad artist. Here on this great square, my greatest masterwork was washed away.
It wasn't a dragon by any chance. A really big one?
Yes, as big as the square. But how?
Wow, am I glad to find you, Miss Lon. Your dragon is causing all kinds of trouble in ChalkZone.
ChalkZone? Oh, my poor dear Tianlong.
Is that his name?
Yes. It means celestial dragon of the sky. He was to be the first flying Chinese dragon. The rain washed him away before I had a chance to draw his wings. He's really a gentle thing.
Easy! Now!
Poor Tianlong cannot fly away.
So that's why he's going crazy. Because he wants to fly?
Yes. You must help me give Tianlong his wing, Rudy Tabooty.
Okay. If you say so, Miss Ming.
Okay, you guys, lower the net! We got him! Yeah, well, he got us. running out of tricks. So, who's the flautist?
That's Ming Lan. She drew Tian Lung the dragon. He needs wings and I have to draw them.
You? Well, why doesn't she draw him? It's her dragon.
She has to play the flute to keep him calm.
No, Rudy Tabuti! Big wings! Big enough to support a huge dragon! Big, yes, but beautiful. Make them... My flute!
Whoa!
Aha! Here you go, Miss Ming. Cutters.
Snap!
Being two-dimensional definitely has its advantages.
You want big, I'll draw big!
Ha-ha! Way to go, Rudy!
This was a wonderful collaboration, Rudy Tabuti. I will always be happy to know that the dragon you and I created together will live forever in ChalkZone.
Look, Snap! A chalk rainbow!